Hello guys, so how to install a plugin in WordPress. So there are basically three main ways how you can do it. You can search in plugin directory WordPress, you can upload your plugin from here, or you can use FTP. So in this tutorial we'll just walk through first two methods because they are the easiest ones. So let's just start. So in order to install a plugin, you need to go to your WordPress backend, then go to plugins menu and go to add new plugin. Here you will see all the plugins in WordPress directory. So let's just install yoast plugin, which is a popular SEO plugin. And then what we need to do is just click install now. Now, before you're doing all of this stuff, I would really recommend you to create a backup of your site. It will make sure in the case of like your site fails that you will have a backup version and you can restore really fast and your progress won't be lost. Or the second way, I would really recommend to test all new plugins on staging environment. A lot of hostings, for example, Bluehost have a staging environment. So first of all, you can test your new plugin on a staging, not in production, see if everything works, if nothing is broken and stuff like that. For some easy plugins, maybe it's not that important, but for more complex plugins, it makes sense because they can actually really easily broke your website, and especially if you upload plugins which are not certified, there can be some malicious piece of code or some not correct code which can easily like broke your website and you will just have like a blank page on your site. So it's really important. Now back to installing. What I need to do, I just click install now and it will be installed. But it's not live yet, so we can see it in our installed plugins, but it's not activated. So the second thing we need to do is to activate this plugin. We will need to wait for a few seconds. And now you can see in installed plugins that it's activated. If you want to deactivate the plugin, you just click deactivate. So that's about it, and your plugin was deactivated. Now, if you want to upload your plugin from some folder, first of all, of course, you need to download it from your shopping page or from like some third-party website, and then you can click to add new. And here you will have an option to upload a plugin. Choose file. And just select this plugin. After that, you will need to install it. Here you will see a message that plugin was installed successfully, and now you can activate plugin. And plugin is activated. So I was installing this plugin, which is Classic Editor, and it's working now. So that's basically how it works. If you want to install your plugin via FTP, you will need to use something like FileZilla and then just upload your files to respectful WordPress folder. That's about it. Thanks for watching.